Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Terry and today I'm going to be unboxing this I Am Magic's Juvia's Place foundation. And so no, this is not one of those videos with the kingdoms and phylums and everything. No, this is a purely organic first impressions video. I have not tried this foundation. I have not swatched this foundation before. As you can see, it even still has a seal on it. So I've already filled in my brows using the Evita Joseph Expert Brow Liner in the shades Rich Espresso and Midnight Drop. Please guys, don't make the mistake of sleeping on these brow pencils. They are phenomenal. So I'll be starting off with my eyes. I'm going to conceal my eyelids using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And then I'm going to buff that out using my Evita Joseph multi buffer brush. I can't wait to wear the foundation. I don't even know if it's my shade. I shade matched it on the shade matching things that are going around. So that's how I got my foundation. And I used the Fenty Beauty 450 comparison, and it showed me that I'm in the shade Kano 150.
God, please, please let this foundation be my shade, please.
I'm going to be using only one palette. I'll be using my Nubian 2 eyeshadow palette. I spent about 30 minutes just looking at this palette and wondering which look to do. So we're going to be recreating this look on this eye, and I'm going to show you everything I did. It's really simple. I'm even shocked. I used this and this shade. So I used 4 shades on this palette. So the first shade is Morocco, and I'll be putting that in my crease. And I used my fluffy blender brush from EJ Beauty. So the next shade I'm going to use is Jezebel. This shade. This doesn't really have to be neat because you're going to cut your crease anyway, so just blend that out. So let me know in the comment section down below if you've tried this foundation and what do you think about it, because I'm super nervous. Yes, I'm going to cut my crease and I'm going to use some concealer. I'm going to have this video up today. Today. So I'm just going to smudge out the outer corners. You all know how to do a cut crease, I'm sure. So I'm using the shade Kenya, and I'm using my EJ Beauty Deluxe crease brush. Just add some depth. And to darken the outer corners of the eyes a little more. I'll be using Nefertiti. This shade is so beautiful. With the glitter, I'll be going in with this glitter pigment from EJ Beauty. I'm going to prime where I'm going to put the glitter with my my Urban Decay primer potion. just so the glitter has something to stick to. Do you see how much the glitter just takes the look to a whole new level? So I'm going to do my eyeliner. I'm going to be using my NYX eyeliner and my EJ Beauty Kitty Liner brush. It's so cute. So cute. Okay, so this is the real first impression. Oh my god. I'm opening it. God, if this is not my shade, I'll cry. If this is not my shade, I'll cry. I'll cry. Okay, so she's open. Okay. So I'm going to put a little bit, because I've heard this product is really full coverage, so you only need a little. Oh, hey, Charlie. It's full coverage, oh. Bruh. Oh my days. It looks like this thing dries really fast, so I have to blend it out fast. So I'm just going to dab this on with my foundation brush and then yeah. Oh. Absolutely. I don't know what to think. Do you guys think it's okay? Do you think it's okay? Do you think it's my shade? Please let me know. I'm going to use it to whether it's my shade or not, so just let me know. Well, it looks good though. My heart is about to jump out of my chest right now. Let me just blend this thing really well and see if it gets better. I don't really know what to say. I don't really know what to... I'm shook. Guys, all my blemishes, like everything is gone. Let me just... I don't even know what to do. Contour my nose. While I was highlighting, I started to notice that the foundation started to oxidize, and I'm hoping it starts to look better really soon. So off the bat, yes, this foundation is very full coverage. Yes, this foundation it has some sort of velvety matte finish. I have dry skin, so I can't really speak for oily skin people, but it's made my face really dry. I should have gone in with an oil or something. And for my nose contour, I'll use Too Faced because it's not as light. It's not as light as. I'll use very little, very little, just like dots. I usually contour using this palette. Like I use this palette I use this palette for almost everything because it's so. I use these two shades. I'll have all the details about the Evita Joseph brushes in my description box and also on my blog. I also have a discount code for you guys, so yes, I've got you covered. You had everything you want. That's why. So I'm going to be setting my face using the L'Oreal Infallible setting spray. I always use this one. Look at the skin popping, skin popping. I'm so excited. I'm using the EJ Beauty Low Sieve highlighter. Is this dark? I hope you can see this dark pigment. Today I'm just using the best products. I'm just using the best makeup products in the world. So I'll be applying the highlighter using this brush from EJ Beauty. This is the classic highlighter brush. This highlighter is pigmented AF. Did you see that? Just my glow. Just say that glow. Do you see that glow? Oh. Oh. What? My lower lash and just do the same thing I did on the bottom of my lashes real quick. So for my final conclusion, yes, I think this foundation performed really good. I'll give it an 8.5 because Estee Lauder already has my number 9 position. Sorry. So if you like this video, honeys, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. Also turn on your post notification. It's just by the subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications. Please guys, I love you all so much and I'll be here same time next week. Bye. Mwah.
Seven